everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today, move over just a smidge. Today I'm going to do a galaxy resin pour. I'm kind of excited about this. Hopefully it turns out how I want it to. But first I want to show you some amazing products that I got from Eye Candy, which I'm super excited to use. This first one, it's a mica powder, a Glimmer Ghost Violet. And I don't know if you can see that, but oh my, look at that, look at that. It's so pretty. I've used the violet, the Ghost Violet before. I also got a Galactic Ghost Blue. So it's the shimmer just like that, but it does have like a bluish to it. So pretty. And you know, I love me some sparkle. Some shimmer, love it. I got Eye Candy's Angel Blue. Beautiful light blue color. It's really pretty. Oh, I have some more. I left them in my other thing. I'll have to show those on a different day. Then I got the black paste, which I'm super excited about because I know how the white is. Like, I just mixed up a bit of white, and just look at how white that is. Like, that's going to be amazing. I'm sure the black is going to be just as amazing. And then I also got their Suco Blue, I think is what it's called. And look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It's going to be a really deep blue, which I'm excited to use this for my beach pours. So the colors that I'm going to use today. So first off, I just painted this little canvas here. It's a canvas that I got at Michael's. I'm not sure what the size was. I don't even know what I did with it. I just painted this with Soho's Dioxazine Violet, and then I sprinkled on some little stars on there for me. I'm going to be using Eye Candy's Yorku Black. I'm going to use Eye Candy's Rainbow Green. Eye Candy's Anawana Blue. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. No, I'm terrible. Then I'm using Eye Candy's 14 Nugget Gold. Eye Candy's White Paste. And let's see. I got mixed up quite a few fun ones here. And then Eye Candy's Perusian Purple. Beautiful bluish purple color. That's one of the new ones I got as well. And Eye Candy's, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is like the black shimmer. And then I mixed it in with this the black. I mixed these two together because this is just more added sparkle. And then I had a super nice friend of mine send me something for my birthday. And oh wait, here's another one. I'm using Jdicson's Orchard in there as well. Sorry about that. And then one more color that I had an amazing friend of mine who sent me an amazing little birthday package. And in that package was a little piggy. I've never used them before, but I'm super excited. This is this little piggy art, and this is Nightfall. Beautiful purple. Oh my goodness. Like Kathleen from Cause Creation would say, yummy. This looks so yummy. Look at that. So pretty. Super excited about that one. So thank you so much, Rose. I know you guys, if you follow me, Most of you would know who Rose is from Rose M Creations. She's one of my great friends. She sent me this little piggy, and I'm so excited to use it, Rose. Thank you, thank you. And along with her other little special gift she sent me. And then first I'm going to lay down a clear that I put a little bit of the Ghost Shimmer Violet in, and then I put in some glitter. I just used this glitter unicorn disco. I think I got it from either Michael's or Walmart. And then I mix that in here with that. So I'm just going to use this for my base. Okay, we're back for the next layer. This really turned out really cool so far. I'm pretty excited about it. this will be this layer, and then I'll bring you back tomorrow for the finishing of it. All right, everybody, I'm back for the final layer here. I'm just basically going to do a base coat, but I want to add a little bit of this beautiful Eye Candy's black glitter shimmer mica. It's oh god, I can't even pronounce that, but it's beautiful. So I'm gonna add just a smidge just to kind of break this up a little bit. So I'm going to bring it down for a close-up. But I just like how that purple just kind of get, that black just kind of add a little bit to break that up. But look at how pretty those colors are. I'm obsessed with Eye Candy's pigments and mica powders. They're just beautiful. So pretty. You guys all have to tell me what you think. Any suggestions? This is my first try, so I'm definitely learning here on this. But I really like this. I can't wait to do another one. But I do thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry about that glare. I hope you enjoyed the video. And you will do all that fun jazz. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Helps my channel out at no cost to you. I'm slowly growing, but I am growing. Up to I think last time I checked was 332 or 34. So I'm growing. And I appreciate every one of you guys for supporting my channel. I hope everybody is healthy and safe. And have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.